Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Page Layout view so you see margins. Open View and choose Page Layout. Once visible, click directly in the top or bottom margin to activate header and footer tools. You will see contextual tabs and quick insert buttons. Use them to place items like page numbers, date, or file name. Make sure to choose left, center, or right sections before inserting an element because placement determines alignment across every printed page. Once the header area is active, use the Header and Footer Tools Design tab to insert and page, and date, or and file placeholders. These auto-update. You can format text by selecting the header text, then using the Home tab to change font, size, and color so it prints clearly. If you add a logo, insert a picture and resize using corner handles. Make sure to anchor it in the correct section and check Print Preview so nothing overlaps the worksheet content. To finish, always check Print Preview to confirm headers appear and margins look correct. Adjust margins or scale to fit if needed. If you need a special first page, enable different first page or different odd, and even in the header and footer tools. Make sure to save the workbook to preserve settings. If a header seems missing, return to Page Layout view, verify header text exists, and check Page Setup or Print Titles options, which can override or hide header content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.